Good day mga ka-foodventurist! So for this recipe, we need 1 kilo of pork cut into 1 to 2 inch strips, 3 cloves minced garlic, 2 chopped medium tomatoes, 2 sliced medium onions, 3 pieces bay leaves. We also need 3/4 cup green peas, 1 large potato, 1 large carrot, 1 large bell pepper, all cut into 1 to 2 inch strips. We will also be needing 85 grams of liver spread, 1 tablespoon fish sauce or patis, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder plus more salt and pepper to taste. For the cooking procedures, in a medium casserole with oil under medium heat, stir-fry the carrots and potatoes until half cooked. You can add some salt and pepper while stir-frying the carrots and potatoes. Then, once half cooked, you can put it on a plate then set it aside. Using the same casserole, saute the minced garlic until slight golden brown. Followed by the sliced onions, and chopped tomatoes. Saute until they caramelized. Then add the pork, our bay leaves, and of course our salt, pepper, and chili powder. Give it a stir. Then add the bell pepper. Stir it, then cover and cook under medium heat for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can stir all the ingredients, and at this point, you can check the tenderness of the pork. You can now add the fish sauce or the patis. And then add also the liver spread. Stir all the ingredients until well blended. And then cover and cook it for another 8 to 10 minutes. After 8 to 10 minutes, you can add now the green peas. Stir a bit. And then add the stir-fried carrots and potatoes. Mix again all the ingredients. Cover and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your liking on the softness of the carrots and potatoes. You can taste now our recipe. But you can add some more salt and pepper to taste depending on your liking. You can turn off the heat at this point. Cover and wait for 1 more minute.
Now,
Our igado is ready for serving. Thank you for watching.